Incus learning app is like TikTok for NEET PG preparation. Thousands of videos. Thousands of whiteboard animated quick review 3-minute videos where about 10 to 15 points are revised. Even when you are traveling anywhere, you can carry the Incus learning app. You can bookmark these videos and you can be able to revise it before the last moment. $50,000 points. Most important for the exam are being revised with whiteboard animations with a nice soothing music in the background.
Why? Because etomidate stimulates